loves, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are stopping by, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, and I'm also a makeup addict. Today's episode is going to be what? My monthly favorites. That time has come. I haven't done a monthly favorites in a while. I've just been doing a lot of nappy changes, feeding, breastfeeding, sleepless nights. But you know what? I said, let me try and get myself together because there are a couple of stuff that I am just living for. So without a beat, the first thing that I really loved was the James Charles / Morphe palette. It just had every color underneath the rainbow. It had shimmers, it had mattes. I fell in love with this, including the names. And it has the transition shades here in the middle. You can play with this. It's not intimidating. I think it is fun. Morphe did really well with this collab. One of my all-time favorites instantly. Yep, you do. Alrighty. Who doesn't love lip balms? I love it because everybody can wear it. From your 12-year-old niece to your 75-year-old grandmother. Who doesn't love lip balms and lip glosses? Different flavors, different scents, and it's not too prominent on the lips. Colourpop came out with, what do you call them? Colourpop lippy balms. I love this. I wear them in the winter, I wear them in the summer for moisture, for hydration. It just works. And Colourpop is so budget friendly. How can you go wrong? So I had a whole bunch of flavors. I have like the strawberry, raspberry, peach, cranberry. Love these. These are a favorite of mine because I always have some kind of lippy balm, lip gloss on. And it's not shiny, it's not sticky, it doesn't pull, drag onto your hair. It works for me. Most especially when you want to wear like a liquid lip. Put this on as a base first and it is everything. Love this. Colourpop, good job. Talking about Colourpop / Makeup Sheila, I was a bit late to the game, but I love this palette. Where the James Charles is huge, this is compact. And it's got a mirror. So you're good to go. Pop it in your bag. You can go from day to night to day again. You don't have to go home and change your makeup. Wash it off, reapply. I loved this. I loved the colors. They were so pigmented. I was very surprised. Loving it. Yes, ma'am. If you want it, get it. I think it's on sale on their website. NYX, I was shocked. NYX, what shade did I get? Let me just look at this. I got Deep Ebony. Beautiful foundation. A flawless, perfect match. Again, budget friendly. Honey, when I tell you I'm saving my money because everything is going to Adrian. This is gorgeous. For you guys that are in college and can't spend too much money, it is so fun to get a drugstore product that is flawless, that is top drawer, because I go from top down to the middle, down to the bottom and back again. So I am telling you, my gift from me to you, take this. Beautiful. You have to get the NYX Professional Makeup Brush. This one is a number 3. Let me just turn it over. Yep, you do. Yeah, this is a number 3. Beautiful stippling brush. It just works. This is everything. All right. I will always die for lashes. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing them right now, and these are by Baddie Lashes. Gorgeous. I got 3. I got Baddie, I got Extra, and I'm actually wearing Insta Haul. I'm not one, I promise you. Those days are gone, the 90s, when social media was not here. So you can't label me for anything. I can deny it. Where's the proof? Anywho, Baddie Lashes, loving them. Thick, luscious, fluffy, feathery. They work for me. It is an instant love. I am addicted. Gorgeous. And you know, J.Lo collaborated with Inglot and she came out with some glam pieces that I am loving. She came out with a nail polish called Breathable. Beautiful. Having a baby, with the amount of changes, your nails chip. Once your nails chip, it's like the look is destroyed. This is a beautiful neutral where even if it chips, it still looks good on my nails. I love this. It is called Breathable. Then she came out with a gorgeous lip gloss. It's like a coral, peachy, warm, lippy. It works. Put it on and you just feel instant glamification. how else am I gonna call it? Then we got a pure pigment eyeshadow. Yummy, 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 yummy. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put a little bit because I live for this. And there you have it. Gorgeous golden pink. It's not a rose gold. It is more of a pink. I don't know how else to describe it. And your eyes come alive. Oh, I die for it. And last but not least are these glam hair clips. They are by Justin Marjan and Kittish. That's the collaboration. I bought 2 of them and I love them. I'll put a picture so you guys can see it. It just umps your hair and gives it that extra. I love these. She has dripping. She has what else did she have? She had a couple of names and then she had just like singles, but this just worked for me. When you put it in your hair, you just clip it, it works. It just gives that extra, and it is my all-time favorite when it comes to hair clips. Because of her, I'm going to start looking for this kind of like encrusted diamante hair clips out there. It just works. And you know I'm the glam queen. Love, love, love me some glam. And that is it, guys. Yes. So guys, those are my itty bitty favorites. I wanted you just to see them. If you are loving this look, it is in another makeup tutorial step by step. All right, guys. Ula, say goodbye, darling.
Goodbye, darling.
Adrian, say goodbye to your cyber aunties. He says goodbye, I promise you. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, lots of love. Mwah. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and follow my gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful niece at Crafty Unicorn. Alright my love, see you later. Don't forget to leave all of your comments and queries down in the comment section. Bye.